Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're learning that writers plan their writing before they write. In our last lesson, we learned that writers prepare by assembling their writing toolkit together before they write. In today's lesson, we will continue what writers do. And so we will learn that writers plan their writing before they write. How do writers plan their writing? First, they pick a topic and they place their topic. But wait a minute. Where do they pick their topic from? And where do they place this topic? Writers can write about anything. Writers can write about a place. They can write about a person. They can write about an animal. They can write about a thing. They can write about any topic they want to write about. In today's lesson, we will be writing about a thing. I will be writing about my toys. How do I plan how to write about my toys? First, I would think about my toys and then plan a story about playing with my toys. So I remember that on a Tuesday, I was playing with my toys. But writers plan in sequence, right? Okay, so on a sunny Tuesday, I played with my toys. First, I played with my blue truck. Next, I played with my yellow duck. And last, I played with my red ball. That's a story about how I played with my toys. So, I'm going to take out my writing toolkit. I'm going to open my writing toolkit and I'm going to take out my writing booklet. Again, why do I have a stapled booklet? Because writers write in sequence. I'm going to transfer my story, my oral story, to my booklet as I plan. But first, I am going to actually say each step or verbalize each step of my writing or my story across the pages of my booklet. On my cover page here would be the introduction to my story. On a sunny Tuesday, I played with my toys, will be on this page. First, I played with my blue truck, will be on this page. Next, I played with my yellow duck, would be on this page. And last, I played with my red ball, will be on this page. And so, guess what? I have successfully planned my writing. Now I'm ready to picture my writing and then produce my writing. Great job. See you in the next lesson.